Welcome. Let's talk about the GATE examination. The last day to fill the form is of course upcoming. So many of those who have filled the form still have some queries, so we would resolve those, and those who haven't, let's talk about some of the commonly asked questions that the students must know about. So the first thing is, who can apply for the GATE examination? So if you are a third year student or higher for your undergraduate course, then you are eligible to apply for GATE examination. Once you have qualified your GATE score, what's the benefit? The benefit is you can get entry into your master's and PhD programs through IITs, and that would be applicable for sciences as well as humanities students. Now, how much time or the duration is the validity for the GATE score? So NET score is valid for your lifetime, but GATE score is valid for 3 years. So within 3 years you have to join the campus, and that is a very important thing. Now, how is the merit determined? So merit is determined based on the sectional aspect. Let's say life science has a common section where you have microbiology, botany, zoology, all of those subjects. Now the merit would be separate under each category. Similarly, you have one paper which is geology and geophysics with part A common. So the merit for the geology student would be part A plus geology. Merit for geophysics would be part A plus geophysics. So there would be sectional merit which would be declared in each case. So you should not be afraid that, okay, I am giving for geology and geophysics, but I don't know geophysics, so how would I secure a good rank? No. The merits are separate for both of the examination. Now, this examination is conducted in an online mode, and once you enter the examination hall, you won't be allowed to leave until the end of the examination. No physical devices would be allowed, not even physical calculators. If found, it would be confiscated. So what would be done is you would be provided a virtual scientific calculator there itself. So once you are applying for the exam, you would have that virtual calculator there itself. The next important thing is, once you get into the examination, you are not allowed to have any scratch pads with you. There itself you would be given a scribble pad. If you have one scribble pad that is over, then you would have to return that back and request for another one. So that is another important thing, because many of the students with science subjects require more than one at many a times. Another common query that students come up with, I have a backlog. Now when I am filling the form for GATE, what should be the expected date of completion for my degree that I should mention? So let's say you have a backlog for in the last few years, and you are appearing for the exam this year, and it is expected that you would qualify in 2025. Then you would put the date as 2025 for expecting your degree to complete, right? So those with backlog would have to keep this in mind. Another important thing is, you should not enter the examination hall more than 30 minutes later. So if you are late by more than 30 minutes after the start of examination, then there is no chance that you would be able to appear for the examination. Also, there is combination allowed, but that is again maximum for 2 paper. And what paper you can appear for? So usually it is recommended by the institution that you appear in the paper in which you have the qualifying degree, but there is no restriction. You can appear in other subjects as well. Now if you want to go into the details of the GATE examination, here is the list of subjects that are offered. So under engineering discipline, here is the list of subjects that are offered. Then under life sciences and under humanities, so each of the subject, and besides that there are the general subjects which are available here. So all these subjects you have a comprehensive analysis including the past year papers and discussion. So once you go on to any of these, you would see the complete set of options that you can avail. So in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on this number, and thanks for joining in. Wish you all the best, and definitely we'll be covering further sessions on GATE where we would discuss what are the important things that you must keep into account, and even some of the papers from different subjects would be covered. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.